Exhaust temperature protection, E2. E2 protection is mainly caused by too much liquid in the suction side of the compressor. Therefore, please check and solve the problem from the following aspects during maintenance. First, check the exhaust temperature sensor. When E2 appears, please check the discharge pipe and kissing top temperature sensor of the compressor to see if they are loose or not installed properly. Make sure if the resistance of temperature sensor is 50 k ohm and measure if the resistance is corresponding to the actual temperature. Make sure the detected value is not offset, then check other possible causes. 2. Electronic expansion valve is not working properly. If E2 appears in heating mode, please check if the outdoor heating electronic expansion valve and subcooler electronic expansion valve operate properly. Please check the following items to see if the expansion valve works properly. Check if the control wire of the electronic expansion valve is connected well to the mainboard, and if the coil of expansion valve is tightened properly with the valve. Power off and then power on the electronic expansion valve to see if the electronic expansion valve is reset. If it is not reset, please replace the indoor unit mainboard. If the above-mentioned adjustments are normal, please check if the refrigerant charging amount is excessive. 3. Indoor electronic expansion valve is not working properly. If E2 appears in cooling mode, please check if the electronic expansion valve of indoor unit operates properly. Firstly, turn on only one indoor unit for cooling mode and other indoor units for fan mode. After operating for 10 minutes, turn off indoor units under fan mode. After 30 minutes, check if the difference between the outlet pipe temperature of off indoor units and low pressure check value is over 5 Celsius degree. If the difference is equal to or more than 5 Celsius degree, it means the expansion valve is normal, or the expansion valve is abnormal. In this case, please check the following items. Check if the control wire of the electronic expansion valve is connected well to the mainboard, and if the coil of expansion valve is tightened properly with the valve. De-energize and then energize the expansion valve to see if the electronic expansion valve is reset. If it is not reset, please replace the indoor unit mainboard. If the above-mentioned judgments are normal, we can confirm that the E2 is caused by the expansion valve. In this case, please replace the expansion valve. 4. Excessive refrigerant amount. If the above-mentioned causes are excluded, please check the additional refrigerant charging amount again. If the additional refrigerant charging amount exceeds the standard charging amount, low suction temperature will be caused due to too much liquid return at suction side of the compressor. Therefore, please check the additional refrigerant charging amount again. If it is necessary, recharge the refrigerant to the whole system.